Good morning, class 10. So, let's solve some more questions on some complex geometrical shapes. So, see the figure 1. We have a circle of radius 7 centimeters. There are two diameters which are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now, this is a segment, this is another segment. Both the segments are congruent. Why? Because they are the segments of congruent sectors. Then again, I have a circle here whose diameter is equal to radius of the larger circle. So if the radius of the larger circle is 7, the radius of the smaller circle will be 7 by 2. We have to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is one circle plus two identical segments. So area of this smaller circle, pi r square, 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus two segments. So 2 into, this is a quadrant, 1/4 circle. So 1 upon 4, 22 upon 7 into 7 square, 1 upon 4 pi r square minus area of right triangle, half into base into height, 7 into 7, that is 7 square. 7 cancelled, 2 goes 11 times, 77 upon 2 plus twice, 7 goes with 7, 2 times 11, so again 77 upon 2 minus 49 upon 2. 77 upon 2 plus 2 goes inside, 77 minus 49. 77 upon 2, 77 minus 49, 28. Let's take the LCM. LCM is 2. 77 plus 56 upon 2, 133 upon 2, that is 66.5 centimeters square. This is the area of the shaded portion, the required region. Right, children? Hope you got it. Let's move on to second diagram, second shape. If you observe carefully, this is a quadrant. This is a quadrant. Quadrant of a circle whose radius is 14 centimeters. Okay? Now, this is a chord in this quadrant. What is happening? On this chord BC, we have a semicircle. Now, required region, the shaded region is area of this semicircle minus area of this segment. Area of semicircle minus area of segment. That will give us the area of required region. So, to find the area of this semicircle, we need to find the radius or diameter of this. So, since this is ABC, is a triangle inside a circle, it's a quadrant, right? 90 degree. So, this is radii, this is also radii, 14. So, by Pythagoras theorem, BC will be under root of 14 square plus 14 square, that is 14 under root 2. The dimension, the length BC is equal to 14 under root 2. So if this is 14 under root 2, the diameter of this semicircle, its radius will be half of this, 7 under root 2. So required region, area of semicircle minus segment of the larger circle. Segment of the circle with radius 14 centimeters. Area of semicircle, pi r square, 22 upon 7 into, this radius is 7 under root 2. So it becomes 49 into 2 minus segment. Segment is quadrant minus triangle. So quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square. R is 14 minus right triangle, half into 14 into 14. Okay. So 7 goes 7 times. 22 into 2, 44 multiplied by 7 minus 7 goes 2 times, 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 11 times, 11 into 14, 154 minus 2 goes 7 times, so 7 into 14, 98, 44 into 7, 308 minus 154 minus 98, 56. Okay, now 308 minus 56, 252 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region in second figure. Now please come to figure number 3. This triangle ABC, question says it is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. On each vertex of this equilateral triangle, we have made a circle such that the radius of the circle is half the side of the triangle. Radius of the circle is half the side of the triangle. Now, this is the shaded portion for which we have to find the area. Children, please understand it. कैसे निकलेगा ये? Area of right triangle, this is area of this equilateral triangle, it is given, minus area of 3 sectors, 3 congruent sectors of 60 degree each, because triangle ABC is equilateral, right? Now to find the area of sector, we need radius of the circle. All the 3 circles have same radii, they are congruent, and the radii is equal to half the side of the square, half the side of the triangle. Now we have to find the side. Area of triangle is given. We know that area of an equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 side square. This is given as 17320.5. 17320.5. In the question, the value of under root 3 is given as 1.73205 upon 4 into side square is equal to 17320.5. So we need side square. 4 comes in the numerator. 17320.5 17320.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 1.73205. Now there are 5 places after the decimal. So multiply numerator as well as denominator by 1 lakh. Got it? 5 zeros. So ऊपर 1 0 से decimal चला जाएगा. So this goes how many times in this? How many places do we have to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 4 zeros. Okay? Now side square is this. So side is equal to square root of this. Square root of 10,000 is 100. Square root of 4 is 200 centimeter. This is the side of the equilateral triangle. Okay, this is the side. Now if side is 200 centimeter, we know that radius of the circle is half the side of the triangle. So radius of each circle will be 100 centimeter. Okay, understood? We got the radius. Now we'll find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is area of equilateral triangle 17320.5 minus 3 times area of one sector. Area of sector pi r square. Take pi as 3.14. R square 100 into 100. Theta 60 upon 360. This goes 6 times. 3 goes 2 times. 2 goes 1.57 times. So 17320.5 minus 1.57 multiplied by 10,000. Okay. So 17320.5 minus decimal will be gone by 2 zeros, 157 and 2 more zeros. Right. So we can subtract this. 17320.5 minus So we get 1620.5 centimeters square. This is the area of the shaded portion. So children, this completes the chapter. Solve the questions of NCERT. Come up with the doubts if you have any.